Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix or disable your account for 180 days on Facebook. Just go to your browser and type in Facebook Help Center, and here just scroll down until you see Facebook Help Center. Click here on disabled, okay? And then just go ahead and scroll down where you see was this helpful, just say no, and then click here on other, then select. Then you can tell them more about the issue you're having. So basically tell them, for example, I need to recover my Facebook account and it was disabled for 180 days. And this is a mistake by Facebook. I didn't do anything wrong. Let me type that out. So I've typed this out for you. Just explain that it was a mistake by them. We didn't do anything wrong that goes against the community guidelines. And make sure at the end you give the information to your account. Otherwise, they would not know how to assist you. Okay? Give them the email that is associated with that account, the phone number, and the name of the account. And just end by thanking them and then go ahead and submit that. Okay? Then just wait about 7 to 14 days. You should hear back from them and your issue should get sorted. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.